How do you say my love in Portuguese? The phrase my love in Portuguese is meu amor, meu amor. Olá, meu amor. Olá, meu amor. Hello, my love. Amo-te, meu amor. Amo-te, meu amor. I love you, my love. Bom dia, meu amor. Bom dia, meu amor. Good morning, my love. The word meu means my, and you can use it in front of masculine words. The word amor is a masculine noun and it means love. So meu amor means my love. Even if you're speaking to a woman, the word amor is always masculine, so it's always meu amor. Meu amor, estás bem? Meu amor, estás bem? My love, are you okay? Meu amor, tenho saudades tuas. Meu amor, tenho saudades tuas. My love, I miss you. Boa noite, meu amor. Boa noite, meu amor. Good night, my love. So if you want to say my love in Portuguese, you can say meu amor. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.